let me show you how to download an image from Pinterest on your Android phone. Now, as you can see, I'm on Pinterest here on my Android phone, and whether it's on my For You page or wherever, it doesn't matter which section I'm in, I can easily download an image, and I'm going to show you with multiple images or different sections. So here is the For You page, and I can quickly download an image. So once I click the three dots, you will see that it gives me the option to download the image. So I'm going to tap on download, and as you can see, the image is downloaded to my phone. It says image downloaded at the top, but as well, I can also share it or save it if I need to as well. That's the easy one, is that you can even pin it to a folder. You can even pin it to a board on your Pinterest account, or you can share it with through other apps, or share it with someone and so forth. You also have the more icon here as well. That's going to give you the option to basically share it through other applications right there. Now I'm gonna go, before I show you where it is stored in my Android phone, I'm gonna show you as well. If I click my profile on the lower right and click in the saved section, you will see that I have my different boards, and I can open up any board. So let's take this one with the FC Barcelona pin here. If I ever want to really like download or save this image, you can click on the image, and here you have three dots left hand side or the center. You click on that, and you have the option here to download image as well. So I tap on download, and you can see quickly it does the same, and it allows me to download the image right here. And so let's go to my phone, gallery so that I can show you the images. Here you can see these images are all in my phone, this one and the other one. And that's it, guys.